Locate the small holes in the center of the circuit breaker casing. Select the appropriate pin-in or pin-out circuit breaker device. Place the circuit breaker in the off position. Press the lockout device push button to disengage the pins. Position the pins into the small holes of the casing by releasing the push button. Attach a Brady safety padlock through the lockout device hole to complete the lockout. Tie bar. Place the circuit breaker in the off position. Put the metal clip under the tie bar and between the poles. Rotate the thumb wheel clockwise to secure the lockout device to the circuit breaker. Insert the padlock through the hole to secure the device in the locked position. For single pole breakers, use either the pin-in device or one of the two pin-out devices. For multi-pole breakers, the tie bar solution is recommended.